In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate GoHighLevel with WhatsApp. We're going to walk through this process step by step. So even if you're new to GoHighLevel or just getting started with WhatsApp integrations, you'll be able to follow along without any issues. First, make sure you're logged into your GoHighLevel account and that you're in the correct location or sub-account where you want WhatsApp to be connected. Once you're in the right place, the first thing you need to do is head to the Launchpad. You'll usually find this from your main dashboard after selecting your location. The Launchpad acts as your starting hub, giving you quick access to all the essential tools and settings you'll be working with. From the Launchpad, look for the Settings option. This is typically found in the left-hand sidebar. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you manage most of the core configurations for your account, including integrations like WhatsApp. Taking a moment to get familiar with this area is helpful, because you'll likely come back here in the future to adjust other settings as your business grows. Once you're inside the settings area, look for the WhatsApp option. It may be grouped under company or communication settings, depending on your layout. Click on WhatsApp. This section is dedicated to managing your WhatsApp connection, and it's where you'll handle things like linking your number, managing your provider, and enabling WhatsApp messaging within GoHighLevel. On the WhatsApp settings page, you'll see an option labeled Agency Purchase. Go ahead and click on Agency Purchase. This is the path that allows your agency or account to enable WhatsApp services directly through the platform. In many setups, this is where you'll confirm or activate your WhatsApp messaging capabilities so they can be used inside your pipelines, workflows, and conversations. When you're on the Agency Purchase screen, take a moment to review any instructions or details provided there. This is typically where you'll see information about how the WhatsApp connection is built, which numbers can be connected, and what requirements you might need, like having a verified business number or a compliant business profile on WhatsApp. After you've completed the agency purchase step and followed any prompts on screen, your GoHighLevel account will be ready to use WhatsApp as one of your communication channels. From there, you can start building workflows, automations, and conversations that include WhatsApp messages, giving you a powerful way to reach